Welcome to MedTech Global Insights. The world of AI-powered medical devices is exploding with innovation, but the regulatory landscape is becoming a complex and dangerous maze. Just last week, the International Medical Device Regulators Forum, or IMDRF, released new guidance on AI lifecycle management. While intended to harmonize, it highlights a growing problem. Every major market is building its own unique regulatory walls. Companies are now facing a patchwork of rules that can halt market access before it even begins. Let's consider a real-world scenario. A promising startup, let's call them CardioClear AI, developed a brilliant diagnostic algorithm for detecting early-stage heart disease. They secured FDA clearance through the de novo pathway. However, their algorithm was designed to learn and adapt from new data to improve its accuracy. 6 months post-market, the FDA flagged them. Their algorithm had drifted beyond its cleared parameters, technically creating an unapproved new device. The problem was not the technology, it was their failure to establish a robust Predetermined Change Control Plan, or PCCP, a specific and complex FDA requirement. They faced a product recall and a complete reassessment of their quality management system, a devastating blow for a young company. This isn't just an American issue. In the European Union, the new AI Act classifies most diagnostic AI as high risk, imposing stringent requirements on data governance, transparency, and post-market monitoring that differ from the FDA's focus. Meanwhile, Australia's TGA and Health Canada are developing their own frameworks, creating more variables for manufacturers to manage. The core challenge is no longer just getting one approval. It's about designing a global regulatory strategy from day one that anticipates these divergent requirements. A technical file for the FDA is not the same as a submission for the EU, and managing adaptive algorithms requires constant vigilance. Navigating this requires a new approach. Companies, especially startups and scale-ups, can no longer afford to tackle markets one by one. An integrated strategy, leveraging a single, robust quality system and technical dossier to meet multiple market requirements simultaneously, is the only way to succeed. This is where combining deep local regulatory knowledge with smart, AI-driven data tools becomes critical for survival and growth. For more insights on building a global regulatory strategy for your AI device, please email us or visit Pure Global.